Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Apex Legends crashing in Season 17. So the first step, what you need to do here, you need to find out where your Apex files is located. So if you're using Steam, you can go to library, go to Apex Legends, properties, and then you need to go to browse here, and you will find your files here. Right, so as you can see here, my file is on disk C, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and Apex Legends. And here what we need to do here, you need to find our 5 Apex, and you need to go to properties, make sure to disable full screen optimizations here, and press apply here. And also with this one, same as well, go to properties, and then disable full screen optimizations, and press apply. Okay, and after you do so, then another step that you need to do here is to go to basically graphic settings, and here we need to add Apex Legends. So if you don't add it, so you need to go to browse, your local disk C, program files, x86, Steam, and then we need to look for Steam apps, common, Apex Legends, and then you need to add these 2 files here. And after you add it, then press on options here and make sure to select high performance on both of them, right? And after you do so, then another thing that you need to do here, you need to go to gaming, and then we need to go to Xbox Game Bar. Make sure that Xbox Game Bar is disabled here, and also captures disabled as well, and game mode also is disabled here, right? And once you do that, then you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall, and then you need to make sure that turn Windows Defender Firewall on off and turn off, right? As well, if you're using third-party antivirus programs like Avast, McAfee, or others, please disable them again as well. And after you do that, then you need to go to and save the changes, virus and threat protection, and then you need to go to under the virus and threat protection, you should see manage settings, press on that, and turn off real-time protection, right? And after that, if the problem persists, you need to open up Steam, and then you need to go to library, right click on Apex, go to properties, and then make sure to use this code plus FPS max underscore and your basically what your monitor is capable for. For me it's 240, maybe for you it's 244 or basically 60. It's up to you. So use what your monitor is capable of. And after that, then another thing that you need to do here is to go to install apps here, install files, and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed, so go ahead and do so. And it will take a couple of minutes. And after that, you need to run the game and then open up Task Manager, and then you need to look for Apex and basically anti-cheat program. So easy anti-cheat, go to details, and then just press here set priority and to low, right? And after that, then you need to go back on processes and you need to find Apex, and then go to details and set you can find here then R5 apex.exe, and then you need to go to set priority and make it to high if possible, right? So you can see here, for me it's not possible, but for you maybe there is a possibility. And another thing that you need to do here is to close keyboard and mouse programs like Logitech or Razer. So as you can see here, for me this one and this one, and simply close all your mouse and keyboard programs here. Sometimes it can cause the problem here, right? And another thing that you need to do here is then after you close all the programs here and set priority, you need to basically go back to the game, press escape, go to settings, go to video, and make sure you're running on full screen, and then your as you can see here, VSync is disabled, your NVIDIA Reflex is on enabled and boost, And if you're basically having crashing problems, run the game on low settings. And as well, if you want to have higher FPS, I suggest you to run on low settings. So for me, I usually play on texture streaming budget is very low, texture filtering is anisotropic, or then ambient exclusion quality disabled, and all these settings is on low or disabled here as well. And it should fix the problem. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.